Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I will show you how to use dual view video mode on this device. This feature allows you to record from the selfie and main cameras at the same time, creating a split screen or picture-in-picture effect for vlogging, videos, etc. So let's open camera first of all, and you want to scroll through these options until you reach more, and here you will see this icon and dual view video. So let's tap it, and as you can see that your screen is divided into two cameras. This is your front camera and this is your back camera. Additionally, if you tap on this grid or frame, you can change here your layout. It could be split, in bubble, or also this one. And you have to just start recording by using this record button, and this is how you can film your videos in dual view video mode. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.